Two legendary giants in the world of life insurance. One crucial question: which company truly stands above the rest? On one side we have New York Life, renowned for reliability and time-tested strength. On the other, MassMutual, known for innovation and policyholder value. Let's leave the marketing spin behind and look at how they really stack up. We're comparing category by category and awarding points along the way so you'll get a clear winner. The final tally might just take you by surprise. To keep this super clear, here's a mind map of what we're going to compare: financial strength, dividend performance, policy and product range, company history and size, customer experience, and don't forget policyholder ownership. Okay, let's hit category 1. First up, financial strength. And wow, New York Life really flexes here. We're talking top ratings across the board: A++ from AM Best, AAA from S&P, AAA from Moody's. Basically, if there's a rating to win, they've nailed it. MassMutual's score, also fantastic: A++ and Best, AA plus S&P, AA 3 Moody's, but just a step shy of NYL's perfect record. I mean, you want your life insurance company to be rock solid, right? So this category, the edge goes to New York Life. Now let's chat about dividend performance. If you care about getting juicy dividends every year, both of these are legendary, but New York Life again pulls ahead. They've paid dividends every year since 1854, and their 2025 payout is, get this, $2.2 billion. MassMutual is also super consistent, with a huge $1.9 billion payout, but just a little lower both in history and total numbers. So if predictable, hefty dividends matter, NYL's taking the crown here, but hey, it's honestly super close. Alright, policies and product range. This is where things get interesting. New York Life's got all the staples: whole, term, universal, variable life insurance. Super solid, super reputable. But MassMutual steps up with a little extra flair. Their products are known for being innovative, with features and customization that cater to business owners, advanced market needs, and their living benefits. Pretty compelling. So if you want cool policy add-ons and a bit more flexibility, MassMutual has the edge here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that both New York Life and MassMutual have paid dividends to policyholders for over 170 years? I mean, through wars, depressions, all that wild history, they just kept handing out those payouts. That's dedication. Now onto company history and sheer size. New York Life was founded in 1845, and fun fact, it's actually the largest mutual insurer in the US, over $700 billion in assets. Massive, MassMutual's no slouch, starting in 1851 and sitting right behind as the second biggest, but yeah, it's just a little smaller. If legacy and scale matter to you, this rounds for New York Life. Switching gears to customer experience. Okay, this is where MassMutual stands out. New York Life goes old school, big agent network, legendary reputation, but maybe feels a little traditional. MassMutual, on the other hand, really leans into modern tech. Their digital tools, application process, and freshly designed service actually get major praise. They're even rated super high by JD Power, so if you want a smoother, more modern experience, MassMutual's got the win. And finally, policyholder ownership. Both companies are mutuals, which, if you didn't know, means policyholders actually own the company. No shareholders, no public investors, just customers. Honestly, it's a tie here. You win either way. Let's take a quick look at our radar chart. New York Life spikes in financial strength, dividend history, and company size, while MassMutual pulls ahead in product flexibility and customer experience. You can really see how these two stack up. So what's the bottom line? If you want tradition, giant scale, and the absolute highest financial ratings, New York Life is the classic choice. You're basically getting fortress-level security. But if you're looking for a little more flexibility, some modern features, or a smoother digital experience, MassMutual's where it's at. That's my honest take. If this helped you compare two of the biggest names in mutual life insurance, make sure you follow for more insights. I dig into the details so you don't have to.